So hello guys, so I'm gonna teach you how to use Aseprite. So this is the Aseprite. If you never used it before, you can have any version you want, it's okay. So let's start with file, new file here, or open file if you already have it. Let's do just 15 something like this. This is the color mode, like if you wanna work on a specific color. This is the background, the color of the background. This is some advanced. This is the size, so we don't really need that. Okay, so so let's start with the main tools. So this is the selection tool. Just do something like this. If you want to select something, this control D. So to deselect, control D, or just select here, go to select, deselect. Here the pen, if you want to paint something. Here if you want to change the color of it. So this is pixel perfect. If you want your line to be clear, I don't use it a lot, but sometimes it helps. This is if you want to make the brush or the pencil bigger. Okay, I don't use this at all, because I use pixel perfect. I don't want any effect or smoothing or anything. I don't want anything of that. So sample ink, that's what I use. Let's go to here. This is the eraser tool. It's the same. It's just if you want to erase something. This is the size. Here if you want to take a color, for example we have black, red, yellow. So we're gonna take this and choose the color we want. This one if you want to zoom in or zoom out. For me I use the mouse wheel, but if you don't have that you can use this. Drag to the left, it's zoom out, to the right, zoom in. That's it. Here just to the center, fit to the screen or whatever. This one if you want to move the object around. This one if you want to paint the background. There if you paint anything, you can choose anything and paint it. You can change the color here and paint. You can do whatever you want. Here if you want to draw lines, this one it's a very nice tool. It doesn't exist on Photoshop or other softwares. This one it's so good if you want to have perfect lines. For example, we have one here, drag, this is a perfect line. You can do the same. So yeah, this tool is very nice if you wanna have perfect shapes and stuff like that. I don't use this arrow. This is if you want to draw like shapes and stuff like that. It can help if you are making icons and stuff like that, but I don't really use it. I don't use this one too. As I said, I use perfect shapes, perfect pixel art, so I don't really use tools like this, but this one can help you to sketch characters, to do stuff like that. Here if you wanna do like for example detouring and stuff like that, yeah, but I don't use this, but you can use it if your style needs that. So yeah, so let's talk about the animation a little bit. So here if you want to add a new frame, so we're gonna delete everything. So this is the first frame. The second frame, if you want to see the last frame, click here, onion skin, so you can see the last frame. You can add another frame, you can delete this one. So let's do something like this. Go to a new frame, do something like this, add another frame, go here and stop. So let's take the first frame, alt and drag it to the first, so we have it here. Again we can add a new frame here, so let's link between this one and this one, so we have something looping. Okay, so this is a loop animation. So yeah, as I said in After Effects before, if you want to have a looping animation, the first frame and the last frame, they should be similar or completing each other, so it's looping. Okay, so yeah, if you want to export, you can click file, export whatever you want. you want all type of files here. This is the layers. If we want frames or selected frame, you can do something like this, like select first frame, add a tag, so let's name it 1, so we can export just this first frame, export tag 1, only this one, and you're gonna export only this one. So if you are working on a game and you want to export this as a sprite sheet, click Control U, and yeah, it's opened here, and you have the sprite sheet. You can add this to your engine or whatever, if you are working on a game, characters or stuff like that. So that's it. That's all you need to know in Aseprite. So this one just for the preview. I don't use it. I use it only if I'm making a characters and they want to see the silhouette. I just do something like this and see it like this and go back, because this helps a lot. Zoom in, zoom out helps a lot with the silhouette. For example, something like this. Something like this. So when we zoom out, you can do something like this and see. Anyway, thank you so much, and see you in the next lecture.